This shirt is ready, beta.
But I will miss you.
We will miss you too. Be good.
I will.
That's our brave child.
How's everyone doing back there?
I'm a little scared.
It's okay, sweetie. We're almost there. A fine evening for a walk.
Yes, Papa.
Indeed, a blessing.
The stew is simmering nicely.
It smells wonderful.
The dough is almost ready.
Can I help?
Of course. Gather close, my dears. Let me share the tales of our ancestors passed down by this very fire.
We are listening, grandmother.
Wow, look at the fields.
It's beautiful out here.
So peaceful.